Hello, lovely people. Welcome to our YouTube channel.
Today, we want to teach you how to use an egg and coconut to attract money instantly. In this particular video, I'm going to show you how you can do a very powerful spiritual direction to get money in no time to solve any problem that you are going through. So, assuming that maybe you have problem with paying your rent, or you have problem with paying your medical bills, or you have problem with some funeral and then you are supposed to contribute money but you cannot get that money, or you need money instantly to solve some problem within a short time. You are supposed to do this powerful direction, and then within a short time you see that the impossible will become very possible for you. So for this particular direction, all that you are supposed to do is to get one egg. So the egg, it can be the egg from the agric stores like the table egg, or it can be the fertilized egg from the local hen or the local fowl. So you can easily get some of them and then use it for this particular direction. We are just going to use only one egg. It can be the white or it can be the brown egg. So after getting the egg, all that you are supposed to do is that you also get coconut. The coconut, it can be the fresh one or the dried one. Please, for this particular direction, you are supposed to get the coconut yourself and then use it. You are going to use the whole coconut. Please try and get the whole coconut. Though you are going to use the water, try and get the coconut yourself. Do not go and buy the coconut water that has already been extracted. So please, after getting the coconut, whether it's dried or fresh, all that you are supposed to do is that you now send it to your house. What you are going to do is that you now take a pot. Please, the pot, it can be a metallic pot or a clay pot. So please, if you do not have a clay pot, do not worry. You can still do this particular direction. So what you are going to do is that you set fire. So the fire, it can also be a gas stove or any available source of fire for you. So after setting the fire, you now put the saucepan or the clay pot on the fire. You are going to break just a small part of the coconut and then you pour the water of the coconut into the saucepan. Please, you are going to use the water from the two coconuts. So the coconuts, you are going to use two. You are going to pour all the water from it into the saucepan, and then you now put the egg inside the water. Please, you are only going to use the coconut water to boil the egg. You are not going to add any extra water to it. So you now cover it for it to boil, and then when you see that it is ready to be eaten, you now take it off the fire, and then what you are going to do is that you allow it to cool, you peel it, and then you now eat the egg. But please, the coconut, what you are going to do is that you are not going to break the whole pod of the coconut. What you are going to do is that just break some small parts of it, and then you extract the water from it and then use it. Also, the coconut, you are not going to eat it. You are just going to give it to somebody else to eat. Please, do not eat the coconut after the direction. Just eat only the egg. But please, before you eat the egg, you are going to recite Psalm 23 over the egg. And then you are also going to recite Psalm 51 over the egg. And then you say your intentions. And then you also say that as no one knows how coconut is formed, or as no one knows how water enters the coconut, and then as no one also knows how the egg is also formed, and then no matter what happens, the hen is never going to lay black eggs. So shall you also get money from somewhere that no one knows. So shall you also get money from where no one even expects you to get money from. So this is how you are going to pray over the egg before you eat it. So you are just going to eat this particular egg, and then you keep your fingers crossed. You are going to do this direction either in the morning, afternoon, or in the night. But please ensure that when you are doing this particular direction, nobody else is there watching you. Kindly ensure that you do your spiritual directions in secrecy. It is going to help you a lot, because there are some people, they have evil eyes. The moment they see what you are doing, it is not going to work for you. And then also, if you are a woman in your menstruation, you cannot do this particular powerful spiritual direction. And then also, when you are going to buy the materials, which are the egg and then the coconut, you are not supposed to bargain for price reduction, like maybe asking the seller to reduce the price for you. You are just going to pay the price to the person and then use it for this particular direction. And then also, you cannot use a gift, like maybe somebody gifts you an egg and then use it for this, or maybe somebody gives you coconut and then use it for this particular direction. So you are just going to do this once, and then you expect your great miracle, and then you bring your testimony. So this is a very simple but effective direction. So please kindly do it, and then you bring your testimony. If you also have any questions, you can ask in the comment section and I'll come and reply you. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please kindly ensure that you subscribe to the channel, you like the video, you comment, and then you also share to benefit others. You can also watch other spiritual directions that I've posted on this channel by clicking on the links that I've posted under the comments. But please kindly ensure that you also use the links that I've provided under the comments to get whatever spiritual material that you also need. Thank you very much.
Please kindly remember to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel, and then the notification button. Thank you very much.